Hello everyone. I have a ton of new camera gear here, so I wanted to share just a good old-fashioned unboxing video because what happened to those, right? Hey, I think that's fine. Like, YouTube has definitely matured and there's a lot of great content, right? If you're unboxing a lens or camera, you want to see how it performs, which I've always been a fan of that. But sometimes you just need a good old-fashioned unboxing video. Sorry, I have all of my, oh gosh, I don't have a tripod here. All of my mobile tripods are at my townhouse currently. So we're gonna have to just go with this. I've been at the office, it's almost like midnight. It's pretty late. And where am I going with this? Here's the thing, I've reached this point with YouTube videos. I always have video ideas. I always want to share things with you guys, and I always get really excited about videos. But you know how a lot of YouTubers make money and how I do. I have a lot of amazing companies that want to sponsor those videos. But I'm pretty burnt out on just that side of things, like coming up with a perfect script and like, you know, just attaching the perfect video with the perfect sponsor. And I've been wanting to post a video for a while, but I've just honestly been procrastinating on like the sponsor script and how to shoot it and stuff. And so something that's maybe only 2 minutes of one video will hold up the entire video for like weeks, which is just crazy. I'm definitely a little burnt. I'm trying to get around that. And I've actually filmed I've filmed for the second channel my feelings about being burnt. But what's so funny is I've been like, oh, I'll show you this picture or I'll show you the screenshot, but that requires then me editing these videos. And if I don't shoot all of these videos in one take on my iPhone where I can upload it directly to YouTube, they never get posted. So there's probably 5 different videos that you guys just haven't seen because it required me just throwing it in an editor. That's how crazy it is. And that's why all of these will be one-shot wonders, but I'm working through it. I'm about to go ham on hiring some freelancers, just having some help, because yeah, in the beginning days when you're hungry, I don't know how I did it in the beginning. You can just do everything and you can do it nonstop and there's no second guessing. You just boom, 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 boom. Not like that now. Now you second guess everything. You know, you have to be sure that, hey, this has the potential to do well. You can't just post anything. And also, selfishly for me too, I'm more picky with the stuff that I put out, which is kind of annoying sometimes. But yeah, I've been here for 6 hours, I think, at the office. I got here at like 5 p.m. and it's almost midnight. So it's been a while. And I came here with the intention of scripting out the sponsored bit and filming the rest of a YouTube video, like the last 40%. I didn't want to do those things, so you know, I did a little productive procrastination, I call it, and I wrote other videos, which is hilarious. And I actually think I'm gonna do an ambitious project. I think I'm gonna do like a proper documentary about something that has been kind of meaningful that I'm figuring out in my life. So I want to do like a 40-minute documentary, just post it on YouTube. I don't know the timeline for that, but I almost like scripted out all the scenarios, all the interviews, everything that I want to do in the time that I should have been filming for branded content and just for a normal video that's for, you know, the Sarah Beachy YouTube channel. Ugh. Anyways, I just got back from New York too. And my body has the hardest time kind of adjusting with travel, which is kind of annoying. So I got to get my sleep schedule back to normal. Oh gosh, this is so annoying. But if I don't get this set up, I'm never gonna post this because it has to be a one-shot wonder. Let's see. Oh gosh, that's super low though. Does this work? Okay, first box for B&H. Guys, I ordered a ton of stuff. So if you remember the video that I did about minimalism is dead. So this is part 2. This is the part 2 to that video. because I sold a ton of old camera equipment, probably like $4,000 or $5,000 worth. And then I'm like, okay, now you're allowed to buy some of this new gear that you've wanted. So this is super exciting. Okay. Oh man, this isn't, wow, we are definitely, okay. We're starting with the not as exciting stuff. Yeah. This is just a beefy battery for the FX6. Ooh, these batteries are so expensive. I think they're like 200 bucks each or something. But that's a big boy battery that can go in the FX. My gosh, you guys. I stopped the recording by turning off my phone. I hope I can find an app where I can just splice two clips together. That's hilarious. Yeah. So I only have these small batteries for the FX6. See, they're so tiny and cute. So look at the size difference between what the FX6 comes with and these big boys. So they'll last longer. They are heavier. But yeah, the official FX6 battery. So I got 2 of those, which is good. I'm excited to bring these out in the world more. They've, I guess, just become my studio cameras, right? But yeah, they're fun to shoot out and about with, especially with the internal ND. It's so lovely, right? So we got 2 of the big boy batteries. I think this, hopefully this is one of my lenses in the big boxes. See, even for these videos, we gotta make sure the peach is in the background, right? Okay, and we have, dun, 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 dun. Oh, these were back ordered. I didn't think that this would come. Okay, I'm very excited about this lens. The Sony, so I got all Sony G Masters, 14 mil, 1.8. I actually tested out this lens for a few days when it came out, and I was like, oh, this is so niche, I'll never use it. But when I was using it, I'm like, this is awesome. I shot all the pictures of Blanco, the photo studio in Texas. I did some vlogging stuff, and it's just like, I don't know, I have a lot of normal lenses. So let me break this down for you guys. This is the setup now. So we have 2 24 to 105 f4s. I love these lenses. They are so clutch, and I love this focal length. A lot of times I will have it both on a B cam and my top down camera because I like having that length for a top down camera if I need it. And it's really great for zooming on a B cam. And these are the oldest Sony lenses that I have. What I noticed with these new G Masters is the color science is amazing. Like truly amazing. I the first lens purchase that I made even before this was the Sony 24 to 70 f. I don't even have it in here. Oh, I think I have it at home actually. Is the Sony 24 to 70 f 2.82. I had the Mark 1 for a very long time, and it was my favorite lens. I love the 24 to 70 and the 24 to 105 focal length. It's just super handy. And that f2.8, ooh, super blurry, yummy bokeh. So I bought the new lens and I compared it to the Mark 1. And it's actually remarkable, the difference. The color science, the sharpness, the contrast. I'll post some like A and B tests on Twitter. Again, I'm too lazy to put them in this video. So I was only going to get one, but I got another one too. So we're gonna have 2 24 to 70 f2.8 Mark IIs because I basically have one that's always on my A cam here at the studio. And so if I want to film B-roll with it, or if I want to film it with out and about, I like to have a second one. I know that's a bit much. So we got 2 24 to 70s, 2 24 to 105s, which you're probably like, Sarah, why have so much coverage in that same range? I do a lot of like A/B cam interview stuff. So 2 FX6s, 2 FX3s, you know, sometimes I would bring, you know, 2 of the 24-70s or 2 of the 24-105s or 1 24-70 and 1 prime or something like that. So I know that sounds crazy, but I love that combo. And so because I have that normal range covered, the lenses that I got in addition to those are kind of quirky, right? So we have a super wide quirky 14 mil. I love gear so much. Is this fun for you guys? Is this as fun for you watching me as it is to experience it? Probably not, but maybe you can live vicariously through me, because yeah, when I was getting started in high school, like I would never imagine getting lenses like this, you know, especially buying them new. Man, Craigslist was my best friend as a high schooler trying to make some video stuff happen, you know? All right. It's small too. I'm hearing stuff upstairs. Is someone in the office at like midnight? What's going on? So look at that. You have like a fisheye bulb. So this stays on because it's not a flat front element because it's such a wide lens. So you have the f-stop ring. That's on all of the modern G Master Sony lenses. Got the 14 mil f 1.8. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited. I tend to always lose these, but I'll make sure to stick it in the box and don't lose them. You know what? Even when I'm traveling, what's happening up there? How? See, guys, I'm here at like midnight and somehow there's still people here. Like the noise issue is actually a problem. So we got one more big box. Hopefully there's 2 lenses in here. Oh, for Black Friday, I kind of went ham and bought a ton of SD cards. Like one does on Black Friday. Always need more SD cards. Yes. Yes. It's like Christmas. Christmas came early. Here we go. Here is that second 24-70 f 2.8. Super excited about that. Now that I'm thinking about it, where is the box for the first one? It was crazy. I don't even remember the process of buying it. Like if I bought it from B&H or, yeah. So we got second 24-70 f 2.8, and then this guy. I haven't owned this focal length and this f-stop since I shot Canon a decade ago. So my first like beautiful prime lens was a used Canon 50 mil 1.2 L series. It was my first lens with that red line around the lens, right? Indicating the L series. Oh, that beautiful bokeh. And then I use those later on my Blackmagic setups with the speed booster adapter. And so I just had to do it. I just had to do it to him. The 50 f 1.2. Here we go, guys. Oh man, somebody. Okay, this is a big boy. This is a big boy. These are nice cases. The new Sony cases that lenses come in, or at least the G Master. Very nice. Again, I'll probably never use them, but they will go in their boxes. So if I sell it later on, I'll have them, right? Okay. 14 mil, 50 mil. Let's look at that glass. Ooh, there's some heft to this. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Very cool. Man, I get the same fuzzy feeling with gear and tech, you know? Freaking love it. So this is the 24 to 105 compared to the 50 mil. Size comparison. Oh man. Let's go all the way to 1.2. Crank the ISO down. Oh man. Whew. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Okay, Sarah, remember, you're not cutting this video. Here, I'll just go in selfie mode. Hopefully you can see the tilt screen. This is hilarious. I make videos for a living and this is so silly. Can you see it, guys? Can you see the bokeh? The beautiful bokeh? Man. Yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna mess around with these lenses. Honestly, I should probably go home and go to bed, and then I'll mess around with these lenses. Yeah, I did my makeup today, and then I just spent all this time like writing other videos, and so I never filmed myself. So I was like, we can't let a makeup day go to waste, right? But then I didn't do my hair, so. Okay, wow, this was long, but this is part 2 to responsible maximalism, buying a ton of lenses. No, I basically sold 8 years of Sony lenses that I've accumulated. And I probably went from like 9 or 10 random lenses down to now 4, 5, 6, 7, I think 7 lenses. So it's more consolidated. I think all the color science is going to be way more similar, and I'm stoked, and hopefully these lenses will carry me for the next 10 years. Good stuff. Okay, bye guys.